I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your security settings on LBank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your LBank account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the menu. This is where you can manage all your security preferences. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication 2FA and enable it. You may need to download an authentication app like Google Authenticator to complete this step. Step 4. Review withdrawal settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you set a withdrawal limit, remember to adjust it if you plan to make larger transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After making all your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page to ensure everything is updated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your LBank account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.